This demonstration we'll just look at backing up virtual machines. So what we're going to do here is we're just going to have a look at how we would add the backup feature. So what we would do here is add roles and features. Within the roles and features we'd select next. Installation type will be role based or feature based installation and select next. We're going to do that on LON host 1, select next. Then what we'll do here, we're not going to install a server role, select next. And what we would do here is we would then select the Windows Server backup. Now I've already added it, so all I did is turn on tick, click the next button, click install. Took a couple of minutes to install. So we'll cancel this out here. Once we've installed it, we just need to launch the Windows backup feature. So we've launched the Windows backup feature. So to perform a backup, we just right click. We can either schedule backup or we can backup once. This then launches up the backup wizard. And within the backup wizard here, what we're going to do is we're going to go for different options. Select next. And then what we'll do is we'll specify our backup option. So we'll go with custom and select next. Then what we do here is we just specify the items that we want to back up. So we select add items. On the add items, go for Hyper-V, and what we'll back up here is we will back up LonServe1. So on LonServe1 now, we'll select OK. What we'll then do, click our advanced settings. We can put in exclusions, so if we add exclusions, we can specify what exclusions we want to add to the backup. What we can also do as well is on the VSS settings, we can specify the volume shadow copy backup that we want to create. We're going to go for a full backup because I don't have any other product backup applications. And as it says here, it updates the backup history of each file and clears the application log files. Or we can go for a copy backup here. And as it says here, if you are using another product backup applications, that on volumes for backup. So we'll select OK at this point here. Then we'll select next. Then we'll specify where we want to back up to. So let's just back up to our C drive. I've got plenty free space on there. And select next. Read through the confirmation. Final thing to do here is select backup. That will then back up the virtual machine. We won't bother at this point here. We'll just select cancel. To do a restore is just the opposite. So all we would do for a restore, we'd specify recover. Then what we would do here is we'd specify the backup, specify the backup date, the recovery type, items to recover, and specify the recovery options, and then confirmation. And then what we would do is click the recover button. And that's the end of this very quick demonstration. Thanks very much.